Hey everyone, check out the powerful Kawlity 2500W handheld steam cleaner that tackles dirt and grime fast. It heats up to 229 degrees Fahrenheit and generates 3 bar pressure in just 10 seconds for deep cleaning. With 6 steam levels, you can switch from gentle mist for curtains to turbo mode for tough floors. The large 40-ounce tank lets you clean for up to 60 minutes without refilling. It features an 8.2-foot tangle-free cord, an ergonomic handle for easy reach and comfort. This kit includes 3 brush heads, a window squeegee, and gloves for versatile cleaning. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, tiles, and even car interiors, it makes home cleaning effortless and efficient. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.